Alright guys, this is sent to me from AKASO, which is the same company that sent me the backpack cooler. So I thought I'd try them out. We actually need something like this when we're going in the Gladiator overlanding to put in the back, and also when we're using the tent. We have some little pads, but they're just foam and they're light. They're only about 1 inch thick, so they're really not very good. This air up pad should be a lot better. So I'm going to open one of them up here and check it out, air it up, and see what it looks like. This said that it's blue-green, green-blue, new. It says foot press sleeping pad. So we're going to take this out of the package. I can tell now even the bag's pretty good quality. But this is some really good stuff. So it's not just cheap rubber. It's actually like a material. It is a material. You can see the fiber here in the material. So roll this thing out. And it's got a lot better plug than those little cheapies that you get on a lot of stuff. So that plug fits in there like that to let the air out. Right here you air it up. Put this plug in. It also has a valve. So this is a rubber valve right here. And whenever you're putting air in, the air can go in, but it won't come back out. Then when you let the air out, you have this open. So on the instructions here, it tells you what to do, how to air it up. Stepping on the intake port of the pump by your whole sole, and you push it to air it up. So it actually has an inflator built into it that you step on and pump it. We're going to try that out. So we can see here this air valve that it has. This will let the air out. We want to keep this in here. Then make sure this one is shut too. Okay, so the way I believe we're going to air this up is we have this valve up like this. When we put our foot over it, covers the valve, and then when you push down, it pushes the air into it. You let off, it sucks air in. So every time you put your foot on there, it puts air into it. So we're going to put our foot on here and try to air this up, see how that works. So it actually is putting air into it pretty fast, really. First time I ever seen a pump quite like this. But if you're out camping somewhere, you don't want to carry an extra pump with you. The pump is already built into the air mattress. It really ought to be a pretty good deal. And as fast as that pumps it up anyway, it's a lot better than blowing it up with your mouth. Yeah, I can feel it getting tight right now, so it didn't take very long, and it's actually right now really tight. Go ahead and shut this off. Like so, it's capped off and ready to use now. That locks into position real good. So you can see how the pillows actually aired up tight. This is all nice and solid. So maybe I'll lay down on it and test it out. Laying on my motorcycle lift. Actually works pretty good. I could probably air it up tighter, a little tighter, but other than that, it actually does work real good, and it's plenty long because I'm 6'1", so by the time I scoot down where I can lay my head down, perfect. I can take a nap right out here on the lift. So another nice thing I see is you see these buttons right here, these snaps. So there is an opposite set on this side that matches this one, and you can actually take two of these pads and snap them together and have one large pad. Okay, when we want to let the air out, we don't open up this one. We actually open up the large part right there. Wow, it lets it out fast too. Okay, that'll let the air out fast, so we can just fold it back up here if I can hold it the right direction. We'll go ahead and that way we'll go ahead and squeeze all the rest of the air out of it. Okay, so after we get it all air out, roll back up, stick it back in its bag. and you're good to go on the next camp trip. That's it for the AKASO air mattress with built-in pump. I'll post a link in the description below so you can go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Right on.